Hi children, how are you all? Myself Manju Prince. I am your English teacher. So this year there is no change in our grammar and Mulberry book. They are grammatics and Mulberry. So let us start our lessons from grammatics book. Our first lesson is about the sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which are arranged in a particular order to convey a complete sense and a clear meaning. So, a sentence should be an arranged particular order should be there, otherwise we will not get a complete sense, then it will not be a sentence. So, it is a group of words which are arranged in a particular order to convey a complete sense and a clear meaning. It is having some characteristics are there. Which are they? First one, it is a sentence always begin with capital letter. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. That you already knew in a 4th class and a 3rd class also we learnt. Always whenever we will start to write a sentence, we have to start with a capital letter. Second point is the words used in a sentence must be in a definite order. There should be an order. If there is no an order, we will not get a meaning, then it will not be a sentence. Third point is punctuation marks. Punctuation marks, that is full stop, question mark or exclamation mark, must be used at the end of a sentence. So, according to the sentence, you have to put a full stop, question mark and a exclamation mark. Some examples are given here. These mangoes are almost ripe. That is full stop given there. Now second sentence is take care of your health. Here is also we put full stop. Now third sentence we put question mark because this is interrogative sentence. Now in third sentence we put exclamation mark because this is an exclamatory sentences. Now kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences are there? Do you know? So there are 4 types of sentences are there. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. So there are 4 kinds of sentences are there. Which are they? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Now what is an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. An assertive sentence expresses simple sentences. Example is given here. The girl drank a glass of juice. The girl drank a glass of juice. Now second one, we all wish to live in a happy life. So this is also a simple statement. That is why start with capital and end in a full stop. This is called assertive sentences. Now we are going to the next sentence. What it is? Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. An interrogative sentence asks a question. So we have to put question mark or we can say interrogation mark. Interrogation mark, question mark or a interrogation mark. Some examples are given here. What is in this drawer? Which book are you reading? Why do you want to meet him? Where are these people going? How did you solve this problem? So these are the examples for interrogative sentences. Now we are going to third type of sentence. It is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence express an order or a request. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. And an imperative sentence always end with a full stop like assertive sentences. Now we are going to the last sentence, a kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling, a sudden feeling. It expresses a sudden feeling. So that we have to put an exclamatory mark, exclamation mark at the last of the sentence. How can we put exclamation mark? This is the exclamation mark. Some examples are given here. What a delicious meal. What an impressive building it is. How intelligent the student is. How excellent the book is. What a lovely child. Here all the sentences start with capital letter and end with an exclamation mark. So this is the lesson for you today. Now just we are going to remind it. We are going first to say about the sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which are arranged in a particular order to convey complete sense and a clear meaning. Now there is some characteristics are there for sentence. First one, it is a sentence always begin with a capital letter. The words used in a sentence must be in a definite order. Punctuation marks, that is full stop, question mark or exclamation mark, must be used at the end of the sentence. According to the sentence, we have to put a correct punctuation mark. Now we are going to kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentences are there. Which are they? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Now we are going to first sentence, that is assertive sentence. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. A statement always end with a full stop. Now interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question and a question always end with an interrogation mark or we can say question mark. Now third sentence is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. An imperative sentence always end with a full stop. Last one, it is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. An exclamatory sentence always end with an exclamation mark. This is the today's lesson for you. You have to learn it nicely. Make to understand this lesson. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.